I got a large, and it kind of fit me a little bit tight.
No, it's mine now.
Really?
Yeah.
This is large.
I got a large.
Yeah. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I really did not plan on making another video today. Literally last night, I finished up the last scene that you guys saw in the last video. So I thought I was gonna take a break today, but my cousin Sufyan, you've seen his truck before. We did the headlights recently, and then we did another video before that. He actually got a brand new bumper. This new bumper is a paint match 2021 front bumper, I believe. So he has a chrome bumper. He's getting rid of that. He also wants to do in the rear, but he doesn't have the rear bumper just yet. So we're gonna go ahead and switch that out. In the next few days, he's actually sending that truck off for a new lift. It's gonna go up a lot higher than it already is. The hood already sits about this high, but it's gonna go another 5 inches or so. So it's gonna be a very big truck when all is said and done. But we're just gonna get that ready for the shop. We're gonna clean it up, clean up the underside of the truck, clean out the outside, just make it a little bit nice and easy. Just make it a little bit cleaner for the workers who are gonna be working on it. My brother with the M4 is actually gonna pull up as well. He's having some issues. He went to the shop the other day, the car was too low. He couldn't get it on the lift. So now he needs to come here, take off his side skirts. The car does sit very, very low. So I do see why he's having that issue. So he's gonna come here, he's gonna pull up with everybody else too. We're gonna get his side skirts off, and then hopefully he should be good. So we got a lot going on today, a lot of random stuff. I didn't expect doing any of this, but hey, it's more content for you guys, which is great. And one less thing I have to buy for my videos, which is even better. But yeah, I'll pick up the camera once they get here, and hopefully we can get started on the process. I just want to give a quick shout out to Yusuf for this amazing shirt. He has a bunch of details all around, but he makes great clothing. I buy all of his stuff, not only because we're boys, but he's a great designer in my opinion. If you haven't already, check out his website, and you probably won't regret it. Go ahead. So that's a bumper, and then that's a ranch hand that we need to reinstall back on the truck. And then got this new little toolbox. This was not here last time. Nice little addition. I think it's so high, I need to like put the camera up here. You got it? You don't want to slide it, right? No, I'm not gonna grab it. Right.
Yeah, you know, you can stand it up.
So this right here is the old bumper. As you can see, it's chrome, and then this one is paint match. You guys will get a better look at it once we get it out of this. But he's running the chrome in the front as well as the rear back here. Close this. So he wants to get rid of both the chrome bumpers, but we're gonna start with the front one, and then eventually he's gonna plan on either powder coating this, wrapping it, painting it, if he doesn't find an actual OEM bumper. But yeah, let's get started with the process. So basically we're trying to figure out if this new fog light setup on the new bumper would fit this old housing right here, which is on the old bumper. It looks like it would from the shape of it, but this shape is a little bit different. And I think the brackets are all the same, right?
No, they usually have different brackets too.
But it looks like it lines up exactly how this one lines up if you look at it. So you see it.
All we'll need is a new plastic housing.
Right here.
This is replaceable.
Yeah.
And then this is all we really need, because this is all that holds the thing in.
But we're just gonna test fit it, see if we can somehow like Jimmy rig it back up, get it working until we get the new housings. But yeah, we need to get those out first.
We need to.
So this is the old fog light. It almost matches up, but not 100%. So I think it could, but
it won't look the best.
Yeah. So we just leave that to the side. We'll pop these old ones back in for the time being until we get new housings for the bumper.
RIP fog lights for now.
For now, yeah.
We should have kept these in there.
Yeah, put them back in.
Alright, how do I do this?
Should just push right up into it.
What happened to this clip that was here?
Oh, on the side?
Yeah.
It's not even there on this side.
No, it's not on that side.
Oh, okay. I thought I broke it for a second. I was like, where'd it go? It just disappeared.
Now look, I'm teaching them how to do things.
There we go. Just a little love tap.
Oh crap, I cursed on video.
That's fine.
Just bleep it out.
No, that looks good. I would keep it like that for like a day, just to like get it out of my system.
Your miles per gallon or drop.
So now, just gotta throw the new bumper on. There we go. Yeah, so he went to the shop and they said no. I guess they were just lazy. They didn't want to do it for him. So we're gonna try putting those up, try to get under here, get these carbon fiber side skirts off. And I think that's the only part that needs to come off. I think the actual side skirt is good. So let's go ahead and quickly do that.
You want to drive it up?
Yeah.
What do you think is the highest point that we can get it on?
Yeah, so
Keep going, you're good. Keep going. Looks right. There you go, stop.
So while he's struggling down there, I went ahead and got another one and I went down there as well. But the whole thing is just stuck on with self-tappers and they're not coming undone. Once you loosen it up, it doesn't come out actually, like the screw actually doesn't come out. So I'm saying just leave it, somehow try to get it on top of his lift and just try to get it done. But let's see.
Try to find a different shop.
Well, I guess that portion of it was a dead mission. Yeah, those self-tappers on there are pretty solid. They're not coming off. So at this point, we're just gonna leave it as is and just go to a different shop because the shop that he did take it to, the guy was just like, I'm not doing it. I'm too busy. But I think we're just gonna take it to a different shop. That way he can get that done and then pass emissions. But yeah, I think that's it. So back to the truck content. They're over there still struggling, so we'll go ahead and put that bumper on. Can you say that exactly what you said again?
What?
No, about that. He's saying they're frustrated because now he has to find another shop that's willing to take his car. This is real world problems of working on cars. Like, something always goes wrong no matter what. Like even if it's supposed to be a very simple, easy 30-minute job, it never is, and it turns into at least an hour. Something goes wrong, you're missing a part, something.
We want this in there. It would be nice to have it.
Say what you said earlier.
I don't remember what I said.
Time to put the new bumper on.
Alright, I think we're all good to go. I think it's time to get the bumper on.
Why you say so formally?
I don't know.
Alright, go ahead.
We have to leave it for a second.
That thing is so loud.
You want to put it on camera?
Yo, so y'all got the downpipe down here too.
Yeah, turbo down there too. Look there. Look there with my fiber.
Right there. You guys look like you got it.
Well, there's like a little clamp.
You're gonna need that piece on there. The one that fell.
Yeah, we'll put that on here.
Furkan is struggling down there.
It's not the easiest job.
No, I'm not struggling.
Just push it down. It's fine. We can do it by hand. Just line the bolts up.
Yeah, my shoulder still hurts from first.
That looked really good actually. And I like how it has a smaller valence. So now the truck just looks so much bigger. But yeah, so old bumper right here, which is the whole chromey boy. And then you have this entire paint matched bumper right
You
here.
messed up my man's games already have a triple-double today.
Forgot to mess up his shooting finger. He got a band-aid on it now.
The only reason I did this finger.
Alright.
Alright, bro.
Now you gotta comb up in the back though.
Yeah, weld it on.
Alright, well, now we gotta get this wrench hand back on here. Okay, got it. Yeah, so we got the old bumper, got the new bumper on. Everything is bolted up as you saw. I tightened it up on that side. You got 2 right here. You got these 2, these 2, and then the one back here. So now we just gotta throw on this wrench hand, get it on the front, and I think after that we should be good. Then just put everything away, wash the truck, and we'll be golden. After a long time, which doesn't seem like a long time for you guys, we finally got the wrench hand back on, the new bumpers on, and it makes a big difference. Like, we were about to not put the wrench hand back on, but we decided to do it, and the truck looks super aggressive right now. So now I think we just need to wash it and get the undercarriage cleaned up, and then we should be good. The old bumper sitting right there, need to put that back in the truck. Yeah, no, the truck is super dirty. You see bird poop and random stuff. Like, it's a good example of stuff that needs to be cleaned up. So just foamed the entire truck, went through with the mitt, got it all cleaned up, and then we foamed it again, and now we're just doing the rims, all the small details around the truck, and now we just gotta hose it down. But if you guys haven't used the Meguiar snow foam, that thing is amazing. It foams up super thick, stays for a long time, doesn't just like fall off the car, which is great. With a big truck like this, it comes in very handy. And now we just gotta rinse it all off, and we should be good. Just like that, I think we started at 12 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock now, so 4 hours later, something like that. The truck's all clean. We got the wrench hand back on. We got the new bumper on. The new bumper looks amazing. And we went ahead and did like a full detail, vacuumed the inside, got the entire thing cleaned up. We did all the door jams and everything. So the entire truck is now clean, 100%. And now it's gonna go off to the shop. So when do you think it's gonna get back from the shop?
I'm guessing it's gonna be maybe 2. It's gonna be like 1 or 2, 3 days at the shop, but we're still waiting on one more part until I take it over.
So yeah, once the shop has all the parts in, he's gonna go ahead and drop it off, and then this is gonna be another 5 inches bigger. So right now he's already sitting like 2 inches higher because of the level kit, and then once he gets it back, it'll be a lot bigger. But hope you guys enjoyed the little quick random video on a random Sunday. Like I said, this wasn't planned, but I'm glad we got it done. And stay tuned for all the future videos. We still got more E30 content coming up pretty soon, and then after that, hopefully we got the Dodge content coming up. So subscribe, comment, like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.